what an incredible boat. Blue Max here. Mike has just done an incredible job with this boat. And in the coming months, it's going over to the Bahamas, which maybe you guys may see me on it going over to the Bahamas. But also, Mike had a little video done at Christmas time. Wanted to share it with you because, it shows you guys a true cruising boat. And also, he's probably going to sell it when he gets back from the Bahamas. So he can give somebody a head start on this beautiful boat. Anyway, enjoy. right, guys, I want to hear you guys' comments on Blue Max here. They did an incredible job with this video, I thought, and it looked very, very good. Anyway, we went down and looked at the engine room and the water maker and all the new stuff that he's installed on it, getting it ready for this Bahamas. When he gets it back from the Bahamas, he's going to probably list it with a broker. It'll probably sell, I don't know, about $199,000, and it sounds like a lot. But when you see everything that's done to it, that's basically what he's in the boat for. So see what happens. I think there's a lot of value there, and I almost think he'll get it. Anyway, peace out. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.